Are you an engineer? Do you write code for your job? Stay tuned for a way that you can improve your productivity 500 to 1,000%. The first step in improving your own coding performance is installing Copilot in your editor. I use VS Code and have noticed tremendous increases. Take, for example, editing pandas data frames. Any of the data scientists in the room will definitely know what I'm talking about. If I wanted to do a particular manipulation of a data frame, it might take me 20 minutes. I'd think about what I'm trying to do, think about the data set I'm trying to extract from the larger data frame, go to the website, look at all the docs, figure out what I'm going to do a little bit of iteration. With Copilot, I simply open up the chat pane, ask it in plain text what I'm trying to do, and 99 times out of 100, it not only gives me that query almost instantly, it's better than even the thing that I would have come up with myself. So a 20-minute task now takes me about 20 seconds using Copilot. Another great value add of using Copilot is in documenting your code. If you're an engineer like me, you hate writing documentation. Everyone does. But we've all been in the situation where we're trying to figure out something and we really wish the engineers that wrote it originally had documentation. I'm an engineer myself, and I must say I hate writing documentation for my code. But we all know it's important, not only for other engineers reading our code, but ourselves reading our own code in a year. But with Copilot, it's just so easy. I can highlight the code, go to the side chat panel, and ask it to write the documentation for me. What used to take like an hour, maybe 2 hours, now takes about 10 minutes. I just proofread what the Copilot spits out, and usually it's 99 times out of 100, it's the right stuff. So this is a great way to improve your coding, not only for other engineers reading your code, but yourself reading your own code in the future. Another tip to improve your coding is using Copilot to actually stub out the structure of your program before you start writing any code. Now, this might sound like cheating, but trust me, when you start to do this, you're going to realize how much these Copilot tools can actually help you think about the overall structure of your code before you get started. And what's great about this is it's using all of its learning from everyone's best practices to inform your code. So it's going to actually give you ideas maybe that you haven't thought of before or are, different than what you're used to, and improve the quality of your code. So what I'll do is I'll simply start out and say, hey, Copilot, I want to write a class that has this state and these methods. Just stub it out for me. And it will go boom, 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 and it will spit out all the structure of that code. And it just saves me a bunch of, boilerplate code right off the bat. So, that might have been, 5-10 minutes to stub out a class? Now it's done in 5 seconds. Instead of that long, laborious task, it just spits it all out, and I'm able to think about the problem I'm solving, not the boilerplate structure. And no, this video wasn't sponsored by GitHub Copilot. It just genuinely does help me write better code.